Hi everyone, welcome back to the Big Oggy Bakehouse. You'll have to excuse the mess, we're literally on the run today. We've just come back from buying our Christmas tree from Lady Down Christmas Trees. The same people we got them from last year. They grow amazing trees, and we've got a really lovely one this year. But on our way, we passed the Cornish Oven, which is a pasty company down here. I think they've got various outlets all over the place.
I think there's one in Red Roof I've seen, but yeah, they've got various outlets. But the
this
Penzance
is
one is
Penzance.
relatively new, isn't it? I think it was about a year or so.
I'm not sure. Anyway, but it's there, and you know what it's like when you're rushing around and you go past somewhere and the smell knocks you flat. That's where we were. So we have bought this. And this is a Christmas pasty.
So they say, yeah. Let's be honest, Kelly. We went in there for one reason only.
They do amazing cakes, and I am in love with their millionaire shortbread.
So we went in for that.
Yeah, and the kids love the brownies.
Yeah.
And John likes a pasty.
Of course.
But they had this Christmas one, so we thought we'd give it a try. We did some taste tests a good while back, when we were Big Oggy House.
Or the Oggy House,
yeah, the Oggy House. And we didn't really find it, they weren't very successful.
No, I think we did Warren's and I think we did Philp's as the Christmas pasties, and they weren't the best.
So what we found was some people try to be extra posh and put fresh cranberries in, and that does not work. It's awful.
They're sour, aren't they? When you put them
It's not nice. Now this is turkey, stuffing, and cranberry. So
as far as I know, all I basically said to the lady was, "Oh, you've got a Christmas pasty in. What's in it?" And I'm pretty sure she said through the screens, turkey, stuffing, and cranberry.
So I'm hoping it's cranberry sauce and not fresh cranberries.
But we'll find out.
Let's cut it.
So we're going to do a taste test. We like doing taste tests here on the channel. We're going to do more of them as well, apart from the recipes. So this is a kind of, is it flaky?
Well, yeah, it's flaky.
They do really nice flaky pasties. I prefer their flaky to their short crust. But yeah,
Okay.
they have a good reputation for pasties around here.
There we go.
Well,
so
certainly
I
well
can
packed.
see turkey. I can see cranberry sauce. That's good.
And
stuff it. Now, if you look at this side, though, I got quite worried when I looked at this side because there's an awful lot of stuffing in that side.
Okay, well, yeah, but that's the way it spreads around, isn't it? I mean, you have to, when you make a pasty, you never know what you're going to get.
And it's still got traditional pasty vegging, so that's good too.
So we're going to stop this for a second because we need to take a photograph of this pasty open for the thumbnail. Back in the room. Yep. Well, I've got to take a photograph. You need to be arty. You've got the thumbnail done. So
I'm going to cut it again.
Yep, you're going to cut it because you've got a dainty little mouth and you couldn't get that in your gob, could you, love? I'm not saying anything about me though.
Right.
So this is just warm. Like I said, we've just been to Penzance about half an hour ago. They were red hot when I got it, so it's still warm enough to eat. One reason why we're doing it now.
It is still quite hot. Right, here's a fork.
Thank you.
It's still big. I can't stick that in my gob.
So you give your opinion and we'll swap this phone over and we'll give my opinion. Well, it can't be that bad. You're having 2 bites.
Now, that bit I just ate was really nice. You get the really sweetness of the cranberry sauce, you can taste the turkey, and you've got lovely vegetables. The bit I tasted didn't have this huge piece of stuffing in it.
Okay, so they put a big blob of stuffing through it.
It looks like it, yeah.
That's fine, I like stuffing.
I'm not sure that would go so well with me, to be honest. No, it's very strong. Very, very strong.
Okay.
Like they haven't mixed it properly. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's like a sage and onion stuffing mix that hasn't had enough water put in it, so it's very condensed.
It's like if you had gravy granules and you just eating the granules but not mixed it up. It's kind of very
very
intense.
It's over strong. Yeah.
Okay. Right, I'm going to give it a try. Swap
Okay.
over, love.
God, John, you're so tall.
I know, you're so small. That's what we do. Right. Well, that bit never had the stuff in, and actually that's really nice.
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah?
said.
Funny enough, I don't mind that. I don't mind the stuffing. A bit more. That's purely stuffing. It's like a packet stuffing. So yeah, it has quite an intense flavour on it. But I don't mind that. And actually the filling is, well, I think pretty traditional.
Yeah. I think if I was eating this, I would deconstruct it and take the stuffing out. Personally. But that's personal taste.
But you really like their cheese ones, don't you? I think you
I
said.
love their cheese ones because it's traditional veg with pieces of cheese in it. It's
And
really
that's what I'm
good.
saying about this. This is traditional veg. From what I can see,
Yeah, you got
there is Swede or Cornish turnip in it, and there is potato and there is onion, which is what you expect. But they've just changed the ingredients. So instead of steak, they put in the stuffing and turkey and cranberry.
Yeah.
So they've not messed around with it. It's one of their proper pastas and their proper set of ingredients. They've just changed the meat-based base around, really.
Yeah.
I really like that.
I would give it 7 out of 10, purely because I don't like the stuffing. The stuffing's too intense for me. So I'd give it a 7 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8 because it's a mainstream pasty.
Yeah.
As opposed to go to one of the specialist one-off shops or farm shops, etc. But of the mainstream pasties, I think whether you have this one, which is nice, really nice, or you have the traditional ones, they do a flaky steak or a Cornish steak, and they do an enormous one. They do an XL, which is huge. I'd say they're probably the best of the almost brand name pastas that you can get in the area.
Right. In the
Very
area.
good. Yeah, in this Western Cornwall area. Yeah, so you've got the Philps and you've got Warrens and all those kind of ones. I really like Cornish Oven. I think they come highly recommended. And that's it, their cakes are lovely.
Cakes
So,
are fat,
yeah.
capital cakes as
So,
well.
so if you're down this way in your Christmas, you want to try a bit something festive, nothing wrong with this, definitely give it a try. If you're down here any time of the year, try their cakes, and their pasties are really good too. So, I think that's it. This is a very quick video, just a quick taste test. We'll do a few more of these during Christmas if we can, and throughout the year. So, thanks very much to the Cornish Oven. They didn't know we were doing it today, we just bought it, and just giving it a taste. And thank you very much to Kelly for trying it. Hope we'll see you all again soon. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, do all those things, and follow us on our lives in Cornwall. Bye for now, everybody.
Bye, everyone.